Now we're going to go over CoinMarketCap and talk about some of my favorite layer 2 projects. So these are going to be cryptocurrency projects that are built on top of layer 1s. And we're also going to talk about dApps and just other projects in general. So let's head over to CoinMarketCap. This is a wonderful website that you can use to check the top cryptocurrencies in the world in terms of market cap and other things. So if we want to know the price of Bitcoin, you can go to coinmarketcap.com. You can also create your own portfolio and track your assets by signing up in the top right. And then you can create your own portfolio and begin to add your tokens that you own. So right now, we are March 28th of 2023, and Bitcoin is at 27,400 US dollars. Today we are down a little bit, but we are up pretty big on XRP. Let's get into some of the top projects. So we've gone over Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, we've got Solana that we've done, Binance. These are some of the top layer 1s. So what are the top layer 2s or side chains or dApps that we can talk about? Well, the first one that I see here is Polygon MATIC. And what you can do when you're researching CoinMarketCap, and we'll go over some of the tools as well and some of the areas that you should be looking into. What I want you to all do is take a look every day or every week or every month, whenever you get a chance, and try to understand this website. This is a big one. I recommend CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko when you're researching or trying to find the price of coins. And it's very accessible and easy to utilize on your phone as well. So what you can do is you can click on the top left and you will see the rank here as well. So we are number 8 in terms of market cap. So market cap is the amount of dollars put into the project. And right now, if we look at the top, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they account for 65% basically of the entire cap. So Polygon, if you click up here, this will give you a link to their website. Once you're on the website, you can really dive deep into what this blockchain does or sidechain. But in this case, I'll just dive into it for you. Polygon is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum. They're helping out with scalability. So they are building a sidechain in which they have their own native token. And what they're doing is they're helping with transaction speeds and overall accessibility for businesses and companies to build dApps and to just grow with Ethereum's blockchain. And they're also doing a lot of partnerships with AVAX. They're partnering with Meld and tons of other projects. So I think Polygon is definitely a sleeper at this point in time. Depending on when you're watching this video, I assume it will not be $1 for long. So here we go. We'll even take another little look here. So start building with protocol, documentation. Again, you can build, you can connect using Polygon. I think one of the interesting areas is the partnerships that they have. So they have partnerships with Meta, which was Facebook. They have partnerships with Disney and tons of others that you would probably have heard of. What I think is going to be big is the NFT space. So what they're doing is instead of a company having to take care of all the NFT building, the coding, and infrastructure, they are making it easier for these companies to just work with Polygon and they can help them out. So that's Polygon. They're definitely a project that you should take a look at. What else do we have here? Trying to find another one that we could easily talk about. So we do have Uniswap. This is one of the biggest dexes for Ethereum, $5 a token. If you got in early, you would have made a lot of money. This was up to $42, and this was cheap when it first came out. So if we take a look at Uniswap, this is a major project. So we'll even launch the app. Here you can connect the wallet and very easily swap assets. So this is a decentralized exchange, and I believe it is the biggest. So again, you could buy, sell, explore tokens and NFTs. So you also have the ability to use USDC, wrapped ETH, and there's just so much you can do. You could swap, for example, when you connect your wallet, 1 Ethereum, you could swap for man, almost any other asset. So you don't have to use an online exchange. If you connect one of your Chrome extension tools, like a MetaMask that we've set up, you can do that pretty easily. Uniswap is one of the biggest DeFi protocols. Very easy to swap assets using Uniswap. What other projects can we talk about that I do like as well? Filecoin is another one. If you want to look at cloud storage, if you believe in decentralized cloud storage, Filecoin is here. So it's filecoin.io. Filecoin is a decentralized storage network. This is built on Ethereum's blockchain. It'll be interesting to see how these projects work out in the long run. So another one we have to talk about is Cronos. That is the native asset, the native token for the Crypto.com app. So of course, if you click on here, you will go to Crypto.com. This is one of the apps that I use all the time. I have their debit card, and you can do so much with it. It's easy to stake, it's easy to buy, it's easy to sell. You can do so much with it. So definitely, I recommend setting up an account. And we're not even going to have any codes for you to use. I just want you to all get a chance at this. So we also have Apecoin. So this is actually a token based on a NFT project. So if we take a look here, I wonder if we could even check this out. So if we go to the marketplace, we have the Apecoin marketplace here. So of course, if you own a Bored Ape Yacht Club, they also have their tokens. So I believe some of these were airdropped to the owners. And this is a very expensive project. You need thousands of dollars to buy this NFT. But some in the future will grow to the scale that are affordable right now. But this is a project that caught me off guard. It's been doing very well. This project did come out pretty hot out the gate, and it did surprise me. Another one is Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is the meme coin. I'm not the biggest fan of Dogecoin, but I do have a fun little story. I did buy $20 worth about 5 years ago when it was a fraction of a penny, and I lost my wallet. Finally recovered it. I educated myself, and I turned $20 into about 5,000 US dollars. So that's a fun little story there. I believe I got out at about 30 cents. So yeah, I remember when Elon Musk made that legendary tweet and it went from, less than a penny all the way to 50 cents. I got out pretty well. I recovered my wallet at a pretty good time. So that was definitely my biggest gain ever in crypto, still to this date so far. Other projects that I like, Chainlink is interesting. Nothing that we're talking about I'm very, very bullish on. Other than MATIC, I do own some of that. But again, I'm not telling you to get these coins. I just want to bring them to your attention. So you have the Sandbox, a very big and popular project. You have Axie Infinity. These will probably go up much higher over the next couple of years. Terra Luna, that one crashed pretty hard. We have Optimism, another layer 2 solution for Ethereum. That's a great project. PancakeSwap, this is a very interesting DEX. So if we take a look at PancakeSwap, we're not going to connect a wallet now. You can easily trade, swap for assets. They have a lot of options. What you can also do is swap BNB for Cardano, which is interesting. So we could take, after connecting our wallet, we could swap some BNB for ADA, which is something that I think is really cool. So definitely take a look at these projects. I recommend everybody to educate themselves on CoinMarketCap. All you have to do is go to CoinMarketCap.com. I recommend setting up an account and creating your portfolio. We have tons of videos in this course. So that's all we have for you in this one. We will see you in the next video.